Southeast Iowa has a great past, and we're going to hear about its future. Everywhere you look, you see the innovative results of advanced manufacturing. Computers, cell phones, cars, iPods, even custom motorcycles.
This is advanced manufacturing, and it can be cool. Every day, from welding to our creative design to every aspect of building a motorcycle is done with advanced manufacturing.
The thing that excites me most is the fact that you can design something and that object has never existed before in the history of the world. Now it exists in your mind only. Then you can take that from concept to production, and eventually you see that thing that you designed sitting on someone's shelf and people are buying that.
You actually get to build stuff from the ground up, and at the end of the day, you look across the street and you actually see this huge machine that you know is going to push a lot of dirt, a lot of trash, or crush a lot of cars. And it's just kind of, to me, it's just awesome.
So what is advanced manufacturing?
Advanced manufacturing is anchored in innovation, creativity, cutting-edge technology, and teamwork. Robotics, laser optics, welding, machining are all examples of technologies that exist in today's advanced manufacturing plants.
The manufacturing facility of old is gone, where it was considered a dark, dingy place to work. Today's manufacturing facilities are clean, healthy places to work and desirable places to work.
We work with steel. We laser it, we form it, we weld it, we assemble it, we paint it.
I come in here every day, I put in an honest day's work, and at the end of the day, you can look across the street and see the quality product that's getting put out the door.
We run high precision parts in a fast time. We have a high quality part. And that's what everybody's demanding, that's what everybody expects, and that's what they're paying for, so we have to produce that.
The machining industry has opened its arms to the technology of a computer, and computers are getting more and more involved in manufacturing every day.
Al-jon's motto is, keep it simple, build it strong.
I started out not knowing anything about welding, had little fabrication knowledge whatsoever, and they pretty much took me under their wing and brought me in, showed me what I needed to do, what I need to learn, and I've been here ever since. I've been in the National Guard 9 years. I got in just before I started at Al-jon, and then in 2004, my unit got called up to go over to fight in Operation Iraqi Freedom. They ask us pretty much point blank, who has welding experience, who's worked with steel, because we need to do something to start protecting these troops until we get better armor in the country. Having 4 years at Al-jon, I raised my hand and volunteered my services, and it was 3 straight days of round the clock pretty much. I received the Army Achievement Medal, a federal award for my work, 3 days of trying to protect the troops and up armor the vehicles the best we could. This has been really great for me. Like I said, it's not only helped me with my military side, it's been great civilian side too. I've acquired a lot of skills doing what I do that help me on everyday life. If you get to where you can weld, the sky's the limit. Somebody always needs a welder. I'm paid really well, and if I was 21, 22, this would be a place I'd want to look if I was looking for a good paying job that lets you get out there and work with your hands and build some complicated, strong equipment. This is just a great job. I don't see myself going anywhere. The years just seem to fly by. It doesn't seem like I've been here 9 years. This just doesn't. Every day just is better than the next.
And just in case you think welding's just for guys,
a year ago I started welding through Indian Hills, and I knew nothing about welding whatsoever. And now I'm working at Vermeer and enjoy it, and I think I'm pretty good at it.
The only reason a girl can't be a welder is because she says she can't. Youth's mind over matter.
I graduated from Tummel High School a little over 4 years ago. When I went to college, I went into business and found out that, man, I'm going in debt, big time. I went to 2 years of school and then I got a job, and now I'm going back to school because they pay for it. I work for John Deere Tummel Works. I'm a waged employee. I've been working there for almost 2 years now. I make good money for what I do, and I think it's interesting. The things we make here at John Deere are sold all over the world. We're in the Russia market, South America. We're not just making stuff for the American farmer, we're selling stuff to the South American farmer everywhere in the world now. And that is huge because your job's gonna last longer. There's always gonna be a need. I'm only 21 years old and I'm making big bucks to do what I do, and I love it.
So where do you start? Talk to your parents, teachers, or guidance counselors about classes you could be taking right now to prepare you for a career in advanced manufacturing. You may even be able to join the first LEGO League team in your area.
I coach a team we call it First LEGO League, and I work with 2 teams of students. They'll compete against 70 teams across Iowa. The students will have to compete on the robot table, teamwork, technical interview, and a presentation as well. They have 3 times to try to get as high of a score as they can possibly on the Lego table, and they'll race against other teams.
The goal is for the kids to be inspired by science and technology so that when they get older, they're going to look at that and move into maybe an engineering field or a technician field like the robotics program in Indian Hills.
One of the best places in Southeast Iowa to prepare for a career in advanced manufacturing is Indian Hills Community College.
If you want to live in southern Iowa and have a great job opportunity, any one of the Indian Hills classes that goes into advanced manufacturing, you're going to be able to get a job placement in the area that you want to live.
A student who comes here will learn how to use 2-dimensional CAD software, 3-dimensional solid modeling software, virtual prototyping, and they will also learn how to do animation.
Machine technology is an 18-month program. It's a hands-on program, and probably 80 to 90% of your time is spent actually learning real-world, hands-on techniques. We have a lot of help from local manufacturing that helps us purchase machines like this to keep our technology up to date. Graduates are going from our shop to another shop, and they know exactly what they need to know to be successful out in industry.
Our graduates are earning anywhere between $30,000 and $40,000 a year. Last year, the average starting salary for our graduates was just a little under $35,000 a year.
And the best thing about going to the 2-year tech school is by the time your buddies are just in their 3rd year of school, you're already making a living. You can be getting a down payment on the house, having a new vehicle, and putting black on the bottom line instead of going the red.
Well, there's many employers that will now pay for your school, so if you can get on and work and go to school at the same time, you're going to be further ahead than that person that went to that 4-year college right out of high school, because they're $50,000 in debt and you're $200,000 ahead of them with no debt.
When the economy is good, our placement is 100%. That means every single graduate from our program has a job waiting on them.
I think advanced manufacturing offers a young person today ability to excel and use their abilities to their max potential. If you have the skills and you have the knowledge and the drive, you can go as far as you want. Technology is booming in the world, and you can get involved in all of it right here in this area.
For more information on advanced manufacturing, go to op2iowa.com.